Good afternoon. I'm Kyung-Won, working for Samsung's Digital Appliance. In the previous session, we discussed the Tizen RT and their mass market products. In this session, I'll introduce you our premium products with our software platform called Tizen. In this presentation, I will discuss three important topics. First, I will introduce our newly changing form factors. And second, I will explain how premium digital appliances interact with you. And last, I will tell you Tizen-supported open ecosystem, which will be included in all premium smart appliances with many innovative scenarios. Okay. Let's see how our form factors are changing. This is some history of our form factors. In 2016, for Family Hub, our premium refrigerator, we started to put a 20.5 inches wide screen for better visual interaction and put a camera for taking a picture of a food inside. But now, we have upgraded to a 32 inches for improved multimedia experiences and add NPU for AI food recognition. In 2017, for premium ovens and inductions, you can control the devices through 4.3 and 7-inch screens for better user interactions. In order to introduce AI-based cooking doneness, we have added camera and NPU. From 2024, our premium washers will have 7-inch screen, camera, and NPU to recognize the type of clothes via Vision AI and automatically select the most appropriate laundry course. Okay. On the other hand, Robust vacuum cleaner had a different starting point. Actually, it had focused on the vision technology with camera to avoid basic obstacles and to find out the way corner by corner. But now, it has evolved on new stages. It can now identify the type of obstacles on the floor and predict possible situation of getting stuck based on the type of material, such as wires, towels, and carpets. The form factors have evolved. As shown in the previous slide, the form factors have evolved with the key hardware components, such as screen, camera, and NPU. For screen, let me give you an example of how we apply 3-inch screen to our premium washer. With 7-inch screen, upgraded graphic UI offers better usability by helping users to understand washing cycles clearly. Furthermore, such large screens allow us to control the devices through SmartThings. And when the doorbell rings, you can talk with the visitor and open the door. Even when you get a call, you can receive a call on the washer. Okay. We can realize so many innovative scenarios, just like these examples, because of a large screen. Next major form factors is camera. RGB camera is for object detection, and 3D cameras is for depth sensing. And the infrared camera is the cooking temperature control. The last major form factor is the NPU. It is introduced for real-time vision processing. It can help premium appliances to make autonomous decisions faster and more accurately. I'm going to explain how the key components I just talked about improve our products, premium products. By adding camera and NPU, along with our AI technology, we can attain more advanced features from basic functions. For example, overcook preventing has been available for ovens and inductions. Moreover, automatic course selection for the washer has been included. And food management for refrigerator also be possible. For robot vacuum cleaners, obstacle detection can be realized. And with the addition of big screens, these AI applications have been improved from the perspective of usability. For example, the user can confirm the type of clothes that AI detected by viewing inside of a washer on the screen with a built-in camera. Furthermore, users can enjoy their laundry because they can listen to their favorite music while they're doing the laundry. Would you like to take a closer look at each product? Oven. Oven has a 7-inch screen, and the oven can capture the images through the camera. And at the time, the Vision AI processes the image and finds out what is a suitable recipe for that food image. A user can select one of the recommended ones. While that, it can also get the ingredient information from the refrigerator. The oven can suggest a better, reasonable recipe with this data. By cooperating with our Samsung Health service, it can suggest health food options. While the user is watching TV in the living room, the video stream of the cooking process is delivered to TV as a PIP window. He can watch TV more comfortably without frequent visits to the kitchen. Vision AI also adjusts the cooking temperature properly and prevents overcooking. Finally, when you are close to the oven to take out the food and eat, you can watch TV content and listen to the music on the oven with continuity. If there is shortage of food ingredients, it automatically places on the order. The user can record his recipes and even share them with others. This washer also has a 7-inch screen. A washer can suggest suitable laundry instructions by capturing the laundry material through camera and with Vision AI. They are suggesting an appropriate laundry course. It can also calculate the detergent consumption and the link to the reorder partnership as well. Let's assume at the time the Ring doorbell rang. The user talks with the visitor through the screen on the washer. Users can have more fun time in front of the washer while doing laundry and listening to their favorite music. And we think that this makes the laundry less boring. A refrigerator. Refrigerator has a large 32-inch screen. And the daily worry of what should I cook and what should I eat is quite exhausting to us. Using a camera and the vision technology, we can manage ingredients in the refrigerator. The refrigerator can suggest a suitable dinner menu. Predicting remaining ingredient quantities can be connected to requesting reorders. We can watch TV Plus and YouTube through the large screen in the kitchen. Even if we are watching the TV in the living room, you can seamlessly continue to watch it in the kitchen. We can also listen to the enjoyable music and even share family photos together. And another significant advantage of the refrigerator is that it is constantly connected to the power. This can serve as a central hub to connect IoT devices at the heart of home. And the robot vacuum cleaner. Lastly, let's take a look at this robot. This is very special appliance among home digital devices as it operates along with its moving. Because it can see all around the house and it requires various cameras and vision technologies. It can adjust the suction power based on the type of flooring. If a user points the cleaning place to the robots, it finds its way and cleans autonomously. This can be achieved thanks to the robot's utilization of 3D map and the various sensors such as cameras and voice recognition. Vacuum robots are also used as a companion to pets. By monitoring pets using equipped cameras and providing video communication with pet owners. Moreover, with the video stream, the robot can be used as a home security. Now, I would like to briefly describe the efforts we have made for the ecosystem of premium digital appliances. Tizen also supports fast and easy software updates as Tizen RT does. We keep our software updated to provide the most advanced technologies. In addition, we comply with the open web policies of World Wide Web because we keep collaboration with our partners through the web. Also, we will support the PWA, which stands for the Progress Web Application, to encourage our partners to participate in our ecosystem. Moreover, we have provided technical supports, including technical board for troubleshooting, and easy-to-use SDK, and the Tizen-based device emulators. Tizen plays an important role. in developing our premium smart appliances because of the following 4 reasons. First, Tizen platform has been optimized to support various form factors, such as screens, camera, and MPU. Second, Tizen can easily work with various smart appliances, such as refrigerator, oven, washer, dryer, and the robot vacuum cleaner. To this end, Tizen has supported modularized build block for IoT and AI, screens, and multimedias. So you can organize a new smart appliance by using the building block as per its requirements. This is the third reason. But last but not least, the building blocks for IoT, AI, screens, and multimedia all common for all the type of premium smart appliances, so that if you use Tizen for your smart appliances, you can cut down the development and the maintenance costs. Samsung premium digital appliance always evolves and improves. To support this, Tizen also keeps evolving and improving. Okay. Thanks for listening.